AB and CD are two towers that stand vertically on the ground. The distance between the two towers, that is the distance between their feet, is 140 meters. The height of the first tower AB is given to be 60 meters. The observer is at the top of the second tower, that is the observer is at C. From C, the observer measures the angle of depression of the top of the first tower, and the angle of depression is found to be 30 degrees. Now with this information, we need to understand which tower is taller or which tower is shorter. C is the position of the observer. The observer is on the top of the second tower. So C is the position of the observer. A, the top of the first tower, is the position or the point observed. And the angle is angle of depression, which means the observer is at a higher level and the position or the object observed is at a lower level, which means the first tower must be shorter than the second tower. Now to mark the angle of depression, we need to identify the horizontal and line of sight. This is the position of the observer. So through the eye of the observer will be the horizontal. C is the position of the observer. A is the point observed, the top of the first tower. This is the point observed. So CA is the line of sight, the line segment connecting the position of the observer and the point observed. CA is the line of sight. The angle between the horizontal and the line of sight is the angle of depression. This is the horizontal, this is the line of sight. The angle between these two is the angle of depression. So this is 30 degrees. And we know alternate angles are equal. Before that, let's join AM. Let's join AM so that we get a right triangle here. Alternate angles are equal. So we could say that the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. So when this is 30 degrees, this also will be 30 degrees. Alternate angles. See this like this. 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Now we need to find the height of the second tower. The second tower. When AB is 60 meters, MD also will be 60 meters. Opposite sides are equal. AB is 60 meters, MD will also be 60 meters. So we simply have to find the length of the line segment CM. CM. Using the right triangle CAM. So in this right triangle CAM, we know that this angle is 30 degrees, and since this is 140, BD is 140, AM also will be 140. And we need to find CM. So we need to connect 30 degrees with CM and AM. Again, it's going to be tan 30 degrees or cot 30 degrees. So you can see it here. You can use this figure. So in this right triangle AMC, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent, CM by AM. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CM is what we have to find. AM is 140. So cross multiply. On working this, we have CM is equal to 80.83 meters. The height of the second tower we know is CM plus MD. CM we just found is 80.83. we know MD is 60 meters. So the height of the second tower CD is 140.83 meters.